Now we are starting with illustration 6 on page number 2 to 4. Narle and Patil were partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:1. They decided to dissolve the partnership on 31st March 20, on which date their balance sheet stood as follows. Balance sheet as on 31st March 20. We'll follow the steps. We transfer all the assets to the realization debit except bank balance. To balance brought down over here. Capital account, by balance brought down. Profit and loss account we distribute to the partners in their ratio, that is over here 3:1. Sundry creditors we transfer to realization credit. This how we'll do with our posting part. Now come to the adjustment. The firm was dissolved on the above date and the asset were realized as under. Narle took over 50% of the machinery at a discount of 10%. See, the total machinery is of rupees 50,000. Of that, 50% will be taken by Narle at a value of 10% discount. So 25,000 का 10% minus किया, which is 2,500. So realizable value is 22,500. So Narle took over the machinery for a 22,500, which is written over here. One core stock at a discount of 20%. Total stock is of rupees 30,000. उसका 1/4 comes to 7,500. ये 7,500 का स्टॉक Narle टेक बाय 20% डिस्काउंट. तो 7,500 का 20% माइनस करेंगे तो 1,500 आएगा. एंड देन द स्टॉक टुक ओवर एट 6,000. 7,500 में से 20% माइनस किया, which is 1,500. So it comes 6,000. So Narle took over machinery at 22,500 and stock 6,000. So total comes to 28,500. And the second effect is to realization account in Narle's column 28,500. Patil took over building at 70,000 and debtors were rupees 20,000 at rupees 60,000. Building 70,000 में लेके गया, 20,000 का debtors 16,000 में लेके गया. हमारे लिए कौन सा अमाउंट इम्पोर्टेंट है? कितने में लेके गया, कितने का वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. तो कितने में लेके गया वो डेटर्स? 16,000 में. तो 70,000 है 16,000. सेकेंड इफेक्ट रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, सॉरी पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड 86,000. He also agreed to pay creditor at a discount of 5%. So entry will be two parties capital. Second effect by realization account partners capital credit. 32,000 का creditors minus 5%. So 18 and 1600 माइनस करेंगे, it comes to 3,400. Balance of machinery was sold at a loss of rupees 4,000. Balance is how much? 50,000 का 50% Narle लेके गया, तो बैलेंस 50,000 का बैलेंस 50% इज 25,000. अब ये 25,000 का मशीनरी 4,000 लॉस में सोल्ड किया, तो वैल्यू विल बी 21,000. सो मशीनरी 21,000 में रियलाइज हुआ. बैलेंस ऑफ स्टॉक वाज सोल्ड एट अ 10% प्रॉफिट. 30,000 का 1/4 कौन लेके गया? Narle. तो बैलेंस 3/4 इज 22,500. अब ये 22,500 का जो स्टॉक है वो हमने कितने में सोल्ड किया? 10% प्रॉफिट ऐड करके. सो 2250 इसमें ऐड करेंगे तो विच कम्स टू 24,750. तो स्टॉक रियलाइज इज 24,750. 24,750. Debtors realized at 95%. Now be careful. टोटल डेटर्स कितना है? 44,000. उसमें से पाटिल कितने का डेटर्स लेके गया? 20,000 का. सो मेरा टोटल डेटर्स कितना माइनस हो गया? 20,000 का. सो दिस अमाउंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. वो 20,000 का डेटर्स 16,000 में लेके गया, दैट इज करेक्ट. मतलब कितने का लेके गया डेटर्स 20,000 का. So 44 minus 20. The balance debtors is 24,000. Now this 24,000 debtors realize at 95% value. यानी 5% कम करके 24,000 का 5% comes to 1200. So 95% realizable value is 22,800. So debtor realize at 22,800. Machinery 25,000 बाकी थे, 4,000 लॉस किया, 21,000 में बेचा. स्टॉक बैलेंस 22,500 थे, 10% प्रॉफिट ऐड किया, 24,750. डेटर्स 44,000 का टोटल डेटर्स थे, 20,000 का डेटर्स पाटिल लेके गया, तो बैलेंस लेफ्ट इज 24,000. वो बैलेंस का हमको कितना मिला 95% वैल्यू 22,800. इसकी सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे आएगी? बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट में. टू रियलाइजेशन एसेट रियलाइज 68,550. So be careful when you prepare this working note. Machinery, stock and debtors. Debtors का ये वैल्यू कितना आएगा 20,000. Now we'll close the sum. Realization account. As my credit side is more, so there will be a profit of rupees 650. The ratio has been given in the question 3:1. So we'll distribute between 3/4 and 1/4. Second effect will transfer to by realization account. It is a profit 488 and 162. Now we close partners capital. Patil, my debit side is more, so balancing figure on credit side 3438. For Narle, my credit side is more, so the balance will be right on debit side 91,988. Now we transfer this balance to the bank account by Narle's capital 91,988, and this balance will transfer to debit side to Patil's account 34,388, and your bank account will get tallied at 91,988. So what is the important over here? Debtors will write as 20,000. Total 20,000 का debtors को लेके गया. Machinery balance 50% balance, 50% is 25,000. 1/4 is 7,500. So balance is 22,500.